What's happening, guys? Devin with Ready Responder Fitness, and today we are working out at home using core sliders. Now, if you ever have been curious about core sliders, today is your day because I'm going to share with you some unconventional training methods that you can do to not only hit your abs and your core, but your shoulders as well as your legs. If you don't have access to core sliders, that's cool. Just stick around to the end of the video and I'm going to share with you a few tips and tricks that you can do to crush these movements anyway. So that's it, guys. A hell of a workout. As promised, thanks for sticking around. A few alternatives if you don't have access to sliders at home. First off, if you have floor like I do, hardwood or tile, you can simply throw on a pair of socks and get sliding. If you don't have socks laying around or hardwood, go ahead and grab a towel, one under each hand, or a bath cloth. Perfectly fine. Reduce the friction and allow you to do your sliding. Another option you could do, which I'm going to share a couple videos, is to hop on a foam roller. You could place either your shins or your forearms on the roller and slide around that way. And another alternative, if you don't have these types of floors, say you have carpeting at home, is to simply go get some paper plates and slide on the plates, or even better, hop on Amazon and go buy some shit. Either way, guys, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the workout. I'm gonna link another workout for core sliders to this video, and keep crushing it. Be safe, stay ready.